please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a DIY learning pillow. Okay, I'm excited about this. I've had these pillows for a while. You guys know I have so much stuff, right, that I have not created yet. Like I have, oh gosh, just so many different things. But anywho, so I'm finally excited to get these pillows. I'm using 15 by 15 pillows. I got them from Amazon, and I am going to be sublimating with my Fancier Studio heat press, which is 15 by 15. And yeah, so anywho, I'm going to be creating this for my daughter who is 7. She's in 2nd grade. So I know a lot of people have like the preschool ones. They even have like positive affirmations. They have all types of different ones. And I'm going to do a lot of them. But just for the sake of today, I'm literally just doing a, it should be 2nd grade worthy for my daughter. So this is literally just for the tutorial, but it's so many I want to do. If you guys know me, y'all know I'm about them positive affirmations, right? Like, period. I'm all about that. Oh goodness, I'm trying to think if I should put some on here. Y'all know how I be, my mind be. I may throw a couple on here now that I think about it. Anywho, so this is what I did. The only thing I've done so far is save the 4 because I'm only going to use 4. I'm not going to do 6. A lot of people, oh, sorry, I restarted. And this thing, y'all tell me how I off of here. Because what I did was I restarted this one time and it messed everything up. So I'm going to search addition table or addition chart. So, see the images here. Actually, this is the one I use, but I'm just going to go to images. And then this is what I use. And I just clicked save image as. Then I saved it to my desktop, but I put addition chart. It's already saved. So I did this for, I'm going to show you the ones I did. I did this for 2nd grade sight words, addition table, subtraction table, and a time chart. So I just Googled them. They have a lot of templates and a lot of the groups that you can find. So if you're in a lot of Facebook groups, you can find some of the templates, but I just use those. Look at me and my baby. And don't mind all this stuff on my thing. I actually just cleaned this up just for y'all because my desktop is normally swarmed with things. So anywho, what I'm going to do is I am going to use the drawing tool and make a square, but I want to make sure that it's actually solid. Oh, and guys, I also updated to the business edition. Woohoo! Yeah, my cousin Maya, shout out to Maya. She I have the Cameo 4. I told you guys that I think in my last video, and so she's helping me to go ahead and push to learn Cameo. So I got the business edition for, I think it was $67 from Etsy, and the lady that I got it from, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to find her name and I'll link her down below because she works with Etsy and you don't have to pay the $99. You can pay $67. Her name is Sharon, and on Etsy it is Blooming, BLOOMIN 4. The number is 4 and then the letter U. Blooming for You. That's how I got it. If you guys go and get it, tell her I sent you. But she's actually like some type of vendor with Silhouette. And my cousin Maya told me about that, so I was able to save some money. So anywho, now I'm in the business edition. I'm stomping with the big dogs. So anywho, I have to figure it out now. Because y'all know I just was using this specifically for printing out larger. So now I have to actually use my Cameo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as 15 width and 15 height because that's the pillow. That's the size of the pillow. So I'm going to, I think I want to change the color. I'm going to make it a pretty little, y'all know pink is my favorite color. So I'm going to make it a pretty little pink color. Okay, and then I learned this cool thing where, let me get out of here. I learned this cool thing where I can actually use this knife tool and cut it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to print, because I have an Epson Workforce 7720. So I'm going to be printing on 11 by 17 paper. So I can't print out an entire 15 by 15. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add these. I can do it two ways. I'm going to merge it. I'm going to add my items. I think I want to start with the sight words at the top. So this is my first time actually doing this. You guys know I typically do things. Did it change my? I typically do things for the first time on here. So all my mistakes and all the things I figure out and learn, we learn them together, y'all. Okay. So I'm only going to put 4 of these on here. So I'm going to figure out what width. And if this is 15, so I could really do like 7 by, I could do 6.5 by, no, I'll do, the width will be 7 and the height will be 5, because I'm going to put her name in the middle. Oh no, I don't like the way that look. That looks so squished. So I'm going to do the height 6. See how that goes. Okay. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just adding the pictures on there. And then I'm going to put her name in the middle. So we did 7 by 6. Let's see if this works. And we could play around with it if it doesn't work. This is my first time putting it on here, so we can see how it looks. So because my heat press is 15 by 15, it literally is like gonna be perfect on here. So I'm gonna give it just a little bit of room. Stretch this out later, because I don't know if I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, file. I'm going to merge. I'm going to my desktop, and then that's what I'm adding. So the 4 I'm using is going to be, that's big, 7 by 6. The 4 I'm using is just simple. It's really just for me to do this tutorial. But I'm doing addition, subtraction, some sight words. They said these were second grade sight words, and then to tell time. I could do the front and the back, but we could do that later. I'm just trying to get this together. I'm excited so we can go over them, and it could be something that we do together. Yeah, I hope this come out so cute. I'm trying to figure out, should I leave the back pink or should I do a white? Right now I'm just doing the square kind of as a guide, but I don't know if I want to actually have it pink on the pillow or if I want to have it the background of it white. I don't know what y'all think. So I could stretch this out now. So we gonna do the height 6.3. But I have to remember I have to do them all that same way. 6.3, because you want it to be all the same. I have so many videos that I have to do for you guys, so bear with me. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. But it's like, it's not enough time. It's not enough time for all the stuff I want to do. They want to make sure that it's lined up right. That's right. Okay. All right. So we have her sight words, telling time, addition table, subtraction table, just so she could get really good and repetitive. We're going to add her name. And then, wait a second. Stay where you're supposed to stay in the back. Nah. All right. I don't want this is the highlighting. We want that to be black. I want to change this font. Stop. Y'all know I'm learning this silhouette. So, I'm just trying to learn it and figure it out. Okay, we're going to go over to the font. Let's see what ooh, lovely script is cute. Ooh, and it has the heart. Yeah, I think we're going to do lovely script. And then I think I'm going to scoot this over. I don't think I want Okay, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to use this knife tool and try to slice it because I have a Epson Workforce 7720 where you can only print 11 by 7. Actually, you can go print 13 by 19, but I only have 11 by 17. So I'm going to, it wasn't attached. So I'm going to group all of this and I'm going to cut it with the knife. Knife is kind of like splicing. So that I can print it 2 separate ways and then it can all be able to print and then I'll just tape it onto the pillow. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have to group everything, make sure everything is all grouped together. And then I'm going to actually remove the pink because I decided to go without the pink. I was beat myself up. I didn't know, but I decided to go without the pink and it turned out looking really, really great. So I'm just going to go ahead and you see, it ungrouped every letter. I don't know. I'm learning silhouette, so I don't know why it did that. But you see, I have to group every single letter together so that I can make sure that it's working. So I group everything together. I'm going to separate the 2 pieces. I'm going to print them out. Using my settings, you guys know my settings. I use my new Texprint sublimation paper I talked about. Look at that video if you don't know what I'm talking about. You see it's still not attaching. I'm struggling back there, but I figured it all out. I said forget it because I didn't want it to be with the pink anyway, and I'm just going to delete it. So that's what I'm doing back there. I'm going to go ahead and put it, see, I put it onto the 11 by 17 paper. I'm going to print that portion out, print the other portion out, and then we're going to call it a day. So that's how I did it. Like I said, you can use templates. I just made this really quickly so you can see how it's done. I'm going to make some more. I cannot wait. I have so many ideas of what I'm going to make, but I just made this really simple one today for my daughter. And it actually turned out really, really cute. So, yep, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward now, I'm thinking, so that you can go ahead and get to me actually printing it out. Okay, so I'm grouping everything. I think I might show you what I'm doing. I'm grouping everything, deleting the back, so that everything can be all set for me to print it out. Yep. Okay, nope, no, so now I'm done now. All right. Okay, so I printed them out, and I have my pillowcase. Like I said, I got this from Amazon. I have my pillowcase. I'm going to make sure that I cut everything out and set it all up. This is my new setup, y'all. This is my first video with my new setup. I want to make sure I ain't in it because I got my pajamas on. Y'all want to see all that? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the excess paper off. You can see me. Okay. Some little tiny words at the bottom. You'll cut them off too. So I'm not doing anything here, just showing you it's Texprint sublimation paper and cutting off the excess so that it can so that it can fit on the pillow. That's it. So I have this on the side because I'm going to put that on the side of the heat press. I was referring to the zipper. So I put the zipper on the side of the heat press so it wouldn't mess anything up. So I put the zipper on the side of it so it can be straight and it won't mess anything up. Oh no, you guys saw where I burnt myself on my heat press when I was recording one of my videos. It's a mark still on me. I have vitamin E oil, but it needs to get off of me. It's still on my arm. Aw. So anytime you use sublimation, you want to make sure there's no lint on anything, because the lint will, the heat press will put the ink from the hair or the lint or whatever inside of the material. So I had to use my handy dandy lint roller, and I did that. I put the butcher paper in the inside of it. I taped it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on the heat press. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it up with the butcher paper. I have butcher paper protecting the inside and on top. I'm putting it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, guys, I'm so nervous. See if you can see it. Okay. Oh, it came out so good. Okay. Oh, good. So, yay. Okay. I did good. I'm going to stuff it. It came out really good. It looks really, really nice. This paper is amazing. This ink is amazing. It looks super duper good. So, yay. I did it. But it came out very, very good. I'm very happy with it. I have no complaints about it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stuff it and I'll show you how that looks. Okay. All right. This is what I'm going to use for today to just fill it up. I got that polyfill from Michael's when I took a sewing class to make my daughter a pillow. The irony, right? But, yep, got that from Michael's. The ink is Cosmos ink. That's the only ink I've used so far. Texprint is the sublimation paper. And I got the actual pillow from Amazon. I love this pillow. I'm going to actually order some more. I'm going to put the link down below. But, yeah, I love the pillow. I love the ink. I love the paper. I'm in love. You guys, I really love this. Okay, I have some more pillows I need to make. This is so cute. It came out so good. Look at that. Oh, look how vibrant the colors are. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all can see how good it looks, because it is really the bomb. Now y'all know I got to be extra and put it with my little backdrop. So yeah, that's the way I make my DIY learning pillows. I have to make some more pillows because I'm in love. But if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. Please subscribe, like the video, comment, join my Facebook group. Thank you so much for your time. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.